Hi, welcome to the Let'sSaveRestoration.com. Are you looking to enroll your employees in an initial EPA RRP program? We have classes under training and class enrollment. Find the date that suits you and view details. Under details, choose the quantity that you want to sign up. You can sign up to 8 per company. Click Register Now. Under the registration form, you must fill in the name of the first attendee, and the address information would be very helpful. Phone numbers are required. Under billing info is where you would fill out the company information who is paying for this training. Let's add some names and a company, phone number, again it requires a valid phone number. There we go. Just make sure you fill out things correctly. There you go. And then you can proceed to payment options. Once it's ready, you can choose to send an invoice if you are not the person paying for this. If you click on Invoice, you can proceed to finalize registration, and the invoice will be sent to the billing department that you filled in if you are not the person who pays. But if you're ready to pay right now, you can click on PayPal. All that happens when you click on Invoice is that the invoice is forwarded to the billing department email address that you input, and then they will click the link and be taken to this page where they can click Pay with PayPal. The rest should be straightforward, and you can simply proceed to finalize the registration and pay via PayPal. Thank you for watching.